Imagine now a software upgrade for your brain, one that upgrades your life, giving your mind the green light for improvement in ways you never thought possible. Even the really high performers among us may realize that they have a lot of untapped ability that goes unutilized. We have the desire to be better and more successful, but often there are mental blockages, habits that can unconsciously sabotage us. Our own past programming unconsciously gets in the way of our intentions. We can upgrade the biocomputer known as the human brain. Not only has hypnotherapy proved this, but the findings of neuroscientists corroborate the plasticity of the brain. The science of epigenetics speaks of the ability to switch on genes favorable to optimized living. All of these shed light on the amazing placebo effect of when you create credible and compelling imagery, it will actually change your reality. You literally decide to make yourself better. It's a kind of imaginary software update that unpacks directly into your brain's neurology, creating a circuitry that unleashes success in multiple aspects of your life. This free hypnosis session is just one part of which I call the Upgrade Your Life Mega Pack. And besides this one, there are 3 sessions that are not available on YouTube and only available when you download the Upgrade Your Life Mega Pack from trigramhealing.com. Sometimes don't you just want to turn the page and start life with a new chapter? I mean mentally and emotionally, hit the reset button, turn the corner, leave whatever past behind and get inspired about the future. Wouldn't it be great to somehow make a clean break and get reborn? And just emerge with optimism and hope, nothing holding you back, energized about everything you're going to do next. In our life, as time passes, we can unconsciously get weighed down by baggage. But our natural state is one of optimism, creativity, dynamic expression. When you download the Upgrade Your Life Mega Pack, you get MP3 audios for 2 hypnosis sessions and 2 long play sessions of affirmations, all devised to get that mind of yours on a fresh page. A new start, unencumbered by baggage and blockages. You can start to give your 100% to the present and achieve a better future. And please make sure now that you are either comfortably sitting down or laying down. Just shift into a position where you can remain still for some time and close your eyes and bring your full attention onto my voice. Simply focus on my voice, following the flow of these words, keeping your attention trained onto the sounds in the moment that they play. You may notice that you can easily shift into a comfortable state. Hypnotic trance is merely sustained focus, like meditation, where you narrow your focus down to one object as you let everything else drop, and limit your mindfulness from many things down to one thing. In this case, the sounds of this audio. You can start to go inside. Just let worries and issues of the day fade. The outside world is not important for this journey, so you can leave it in the periphery and just start to notice and focus on your inner world, letting the mind drift. And it just naturally feels pleasant to go deeper in the mind, deeper into the vast subconscious mind. It just feels pleasant to just follow my words, letting go. And we are going to take a deep cleansing breath together. And when you exhale, simply imagine pushing out any residue of the day. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Imagine a wave of relaxation from the top of your head down to your toes, like a flowing wave of peaceful energy, softening the body. And that peaceful energy flows up and down the body. You can just send waves of relaxation through your body, allowing every muscle, nerve, and fiber to relax. Hypnosis naturally feels good. You feel good because your brain's own endorphins are released. The body rewards you for relaxation. This feel-good state, known as the relaxation response, sends feel-good chemicals throughout your body. As you go into hypnotic trance, the body and the mind regenerate, relax, and you simply feel good. And it's natural to feel this pleasantness. And the deeper you go into relaxation, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you allow yourself to go. Now the muscles around the eyes are very easy to relax. Just as we strain them during the day, we can completely loosen them. And it feels so good to give those eye muscles the relaxation they deserve. Imagine softening those eyelids and muscles around the eyes so much that they just melt. The more you fill them with relaxation, the better they feel. So loose, so limp, and so relaxed, as if the eye muscles will simply not work, because they're like a pool of melted butter. Use your powerful imagination and dial down all muscle response to 0%, so the eyelids and muscles around the eyes simply do not work, and they will remain shut. If you mentally send a warm, blissful anesthesia to your eyes and muscles around the eyes, even if you tried to open them, the muscles would not respond, because they are so filled with relaxation that they just don't want to move. And when you have achieved this level of melted, relaxed eyelid muscles, give them a test to see that they don't respond and they stay shut. And now send that same relaxation to all the muscles, nerves, and fibers of your entire body. See that wonderful relaxation flow to all parts of your body now, instantly and immediately putting those muscles, nerves, and fibers into a state of total relaxation. Feel the head, the neck, the chest, all relaxing. Feel the back giving in, filling with liquid sleep. Feel the arms, the hands, melting like liquid butter. And feel the hips, legs, down to your feet, softening, dialing it to 0. The body completely relaxed. And notice that every breath you exhale just sends you deeper. Each breath out brings you even more deeply relaxed. It just feels so good and perfect right now. As the body feels the tug of relaxation and naturally follows it down to a deeper state, it just feels so wonderful and pleasant as you follow my voice, guiding you deeper. And as the body relaxes, the mind also relaxes. And I am going to count from 3 down to 1. And with each count, just double the level of relaxation you now feel. With each count, simply double your relaxation. 3. Doubling your level of relaxation. Mind and body going deeper. 2. Doubling again your relaxation. Just feel the tug and follow it down. Giving in, letting go, and surrendering to a good feeling of relaxation. And 1. Doubling your relaxation. The mind is relaxed and the body is relaxed. And you continue to go deeper and deeper with each word that I say. Imagine the hypnotic information software transfer is embedded within this audio. The waves and pulses are processed by your subconscious mind. You can simply relax and enjoy the state of deep relaxation, and you will receive the software, upgrading your ability to improve in all areas of your life, giving you the capacity to gain success after success. You can visualize the information transferred to your brain. Imagine you are sitting in front of a computer screen. There is a download timer telling you what % complete your information download is at. Each moment that goes by, your mind is getting the upgrade, and your abilities are getting enhanced. Know that you are improving. You are getting better at all things. As the software upgrade is downloading and unpacking, I can summarize the content. The mental ability to more efficiently get what you want in life. Let's start the download now. 1%. You let go and delete limiting beliefs. You understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. You let go and delete limiting beliefs. You understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. And you let go and delete limiting beliefs as you understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. Your mind is free of resistance to pursuing your priority and top goals in life. Your enthusiasm and motivation for personal achievement are now many times higher. You are on a rocket to higher places. You get better and better in ways that you want. Your mind gives you the green light to engage with the world in new and improved ways. Imagine you are a coiled spring, ready for massive expansion. You can start to imagine all the ways in which you will use your mental upgrade. There is no stopping you now. You focus your time on what matters. You love to put the time and effort into your highest goals. You love investing in yourself. Creating solutions comes naturally to you. You participate in life and you don't wait for it to happen. You are a creator, an elite, a maker of reality. Every decision you make shapes your positive destiny. You exude purpose and well-being, optimism and resilience. You are courageous when it comes to getting what you want. You are on an upward spiral. You bring the right solutions and people to you with your positive attitude. You can gain knowledge in all new challenging situations because you are willing to learn. You let go and delete limiting beliefs. You understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. You let go and delete limiting beliefs. And you understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. You let go and delete now limiting beliefs. And you understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. You attract successful people who encourage, mentor, and support your improvement. You constantly see opportunity in front of you and seize the moment. You are optimistic about your future and practice optimism by naturally and authentically walking optimistically, talking optimistically. You are accelerating your production to achieve what you want in life. You strive to achieve your goals and help others achieve theirs. You are open-minded and notice much more opportunity to improve. You love tackling new challenges. You thrive on it. Every day is filled with new ideas that inspire and motivate you. You let go and delete limiting beliefs. You understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. And so you let go and delete now any limiting beliefs. And you understand that you are an infinite being with infinite potential. You have decided to release anything from your life that slows you down. Any weight, any bad habit, negative thinking about a person, place, etc. You just drop it. You have decided now to drop it. See yourself dropping all of that. Cut away heavy items. Instantly and intuitively, you know what must be done. Immediately, you can decide to let it drop. See any bad habit, any negative thinking getting shed now, as you are filled with strong, new resolve to achieve your goals. See yourself sprinting to your goals with increased clarity and confidence. You are relentless. Now, if there is anything in any form which you have that does not help you achieve your goals, see yourself dropping it. And just relax down now, letting the mind clear, letting the thoughts go, just taking a break, letting the whole body sink, grow loose and limp. Let yourself relax completely now. The download is over 60% complete. Let your thoughts drift, go blank. Just following my voice, focusing on my words as I guide you deeper. And it feels good to take this time to let the body relax and let the mind relax deeper. It feels good to just focus on these words, as each word sends you more deeply relaxed. And imagine now you are standing in front of a large projection screen. See a number 100 appear on the screen. Visualize it clearly. And now imagine that it fades and blinks away. The screen goes blank as your mind clears and the mind goes blank. And now imagine a number 99 appears on the screen. A number 99, and now see it erase and fade as your mind just goes deeper and deeper relaxed, noticing a good feeling and following that down. Now imagine a number 98 on the screen. A big number 98. And now see it disappear. It's gone, sending your mind more relaxed as you allow yourself to drift deeper, giving into a deeper level of comfort and ease, knowing that the deeper you go, the better you feel. And now imagine a number 97 on the screen. Visualize a number 97. And now see it disappear and erase. And the mind clears and empties. And it just feels so good to really let go now. It just feels so good to float deeper. And the mind is tired. It doesn't want to keep doing these visualizations. But just imagine a number 96 on the screen. And now let it erase all the counting, the screen. It fades. Just relaxing deeper and deeper now as you focus on these words. Your mind is now primed for success. There are no barriers to your progress. Your mind is now primed for success. There are no barriers to your progress. Your mind is primed for success, and there are no barriers to your success. You stay focused and pursue your vision with passion. You accelerate your excellence. You are maximizing your greatness. Your confidence is now filling up your entire being, waiting to be unleashed on all of your projects and goals. You always expect a positive outcome. Deep down, you are always succeeding. Your inner mind, the kernel of consciousness, always believes that everything you do will work out. Success expectations come naturally and easily to you. You feel that what you want to do will come true. You override doubts with a strong force of optimism. You have released all limiting beliefs, and now you run like a sprinter to your goals. You have become free of mental blockages. You trust in yourself. And now you are eager to show your excellence to this world. Your mind is now primed for success. There are no barriers to your progress. Your mind is now primed for success, and there are no barriers to your progress. Your mind is now primed for success, and there are no barriers to your success. Imagine the new software is 99% downloaded, and you are installing it in your neural circuitry, creating the optimal thought pathways for your future improvement, and at the same time deleting any clutter or psychological blockages. The brain, your biocomputer, is getting updated to higher performance. Neural pathways are getting created for your optimum creative and dynamic life. The perfect functioning of synapses, neurotransmitters of the brain, enhance your abilities. Your brain is working for your higher achievement. To draw an analogy, imagine now that you are at the starting line of a running race. You hear the word "go" in your mind, and you start to run as fast as you can to your goal. You notice that you have so much more speed and confidence than ever before. You have so much more power than you have ever realized. Your abilities are enhanced. There were some counterproductive weights. Dropping weights is like releasing negative thoughts or unproductive habits. You dropped them. You had identified what was unhelpful to you and you let it go. And now, because you dropped whatever was impeding your life's progress, you began to run even faster. You began to accelerate. You're advancing in ways you never dreamt of before. Your download is working to accelerate your success. There are no barriers to your progress. Your download is working to accelerate your success. There are no barriers to your progress. Your mind is now primed for success. There are no barriers to your progress. Sense the update in your system as you are 100% activated to make your enhanced life a reality. You can make a habit of reviewing all of your past successes to build your morale and confidence. You constantly see your past and future successes, large and small, because you live in a world of constant success. You achieve your goals one after another. You see your goals large and bright in front of you, compelling you into action. You have an enhanced drive. Nothing stops you. If you can imagine a dammed up stream suddenly let loose and water flowing smoothly, that is your energy getting directed to your goals. You dream big, knowing that you are attracting the right situations and people to you. You are committed to excellence. You spend more time on what you value most. New doors are opening to you now. You are the architect of your life. You build its foundation and choose its contents. You prepare and work hard, so luck favors you. You know what you want, and you get it done. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 up to 5. And at 5, just open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open your eyes, feeling amazing, feeling optimistic.